Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to knit the stitch. It's super easy. It looks like the brioche stitch, but it isn't. Believe it or not, it looks like. So that's the reason I'm doing the tutorial. I just wanted to share you my excitement because I'm always looking for easy ways to knit brioche stitch or any kind of stitch. So I am knitting for the homeless, for donation, let's say it that way. You can go to anywhere for donation. And I'm always looking for, well, you can knit anything with this stitch. Scarves, hats, sweaters, cardigans, anything that comes to mind. So what you need to do is you need to cast on multiple of 4 plus 1, I think. Yeah. Or 3 maybe, plus 3. Okay, so I'm just going to grab the yarn that I'm going to do the tutorial with, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I had these yarn in my stash. I'm just going to use them up. I'm going to cast on multiple of 4 plus 1. I said yes, that is correct. So 33 stitches is perfect to knit a scarf. And I'm going to use the 2 balls of this. Okay. To give that thickness. So cast on 33 and come back to join me. Okay, so for this tutorial you can use any yarn in your stash, but my aim is to go with a 4-weight. So that's what I did. The yarn, I did it 4-weight, and the yarn that I'm using is a 5mm knitting needle. So, but you can use anything from your stash. Okay, I will weave this later, but I want it outside, standing out there, so I know which one. This is the wrong side. So we're going to start the stitch right away. Okay, so I'm going to go as slow as I can. The first stitch I am going to slide without knitting. Okay, and then the next stitch is a knit stitch. And then the next stitch is a knit stitch. Okay. The next stitch is a knit stitch. Next stitch is as if to purl, but have the yarn on the front, but don't do anything. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to repeat it over until to the end, over and over. So knit, 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 as if to purl, but don't do anything. So slide the stitch, and then again knit, knit, oops, it's gonna be, I don't know why I bought this yarn. It's really hard when you buy it online. Okay, 3 knit, and then 1 slide as if to purl. 3 knit, I am really struggling with this yarn. Okay, but the end result is great with this yarn. I did it on the knitting machine, and the fabric turned out fantastic. So purl, knit, knit. I am saying purl, but it's not purl, right? We're just sliding it. Okay. Knit, knit. You can see one of my nails is short. My nails is long because I have weak nail, and I don't like putting nail polish, then my nail gets weak. Slide. Okay, we're almost at the end. The first row is always difficult because it's tight when we cast on, right? And I should have used a bigger knitting needle. Sometimes I forget. Yeah, I would recommend that if you're a tight knitter like me. So knit, knit, knit. Okay. We're going to knit and then slide. Okay, there's 4 stitches left, and we're going to knit them all to the end, just like this. Okay, so the second row, we're going to turn our work. Okay, I'm going to slide, I'm not going to knit, stitch, and this stitch is going to be a knit stitch. Okay, so here I am going to do the slide, which is to purl. Okay, and then the 3 stitches is knit. Okay, the first row, as I said, is a little bit difficult, and after that everything is easy and pie. So 3 knit, 1 slide. 3 knit, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 slide. Okay, 3 knit, 3 knit. We did 2, 3, and then 1 slide. Again, 3 knit, 2, 3, and then 1 slide. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 slide. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 slide. 1, just a little bit. 2, 3. Oh, that little thing is out there. 3, 1 slide, and then knit the rest. And we're back where we started. Okay, turn our work. So we just repeat what we did at the beginning. This is how it looks like. So 1, well 3 if you count the first one, and then if you don't count the first stitch, you knit 3, and then you do slide, you knit 3. That's all we're doing, nothing different. And if you're lost, you can always see where you are. See, here's the slide, so I do 3 knits, and then I do a slide. Okay, and then I do 3 knits, and then I do a slide. 1, 2, 3. See, the stitch is becoming. Need a little bit yarn, here we go. So here's the slide. We did the 3 knit. The next one is going to be a slide without knitting. 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, knit. Well, the last we just knit to the end. Okay, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like from the back. So I'm going to grab that other, as you can see, it's just a repeat and a repeat. So when I grab this one, you just look at it and you say, oh wow, okay, where was I? How did I start? Okay, I am just going to show you. Let's say you went to the kitchen, the doorbell rang, the phone rang, never ends, does it? And then you come back and then you go like this. Okay, here is my slide. You can see the slide because it's like a valley. It's like hidden in there. That is a slide. So that means you're going to knit 3. I really like these carbon needles. And then you slide. This is the 5.5. I think so. Yeah. 5.5. I did a slide and then I just knit 3. And I just continue. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I just wanted to share you the super easy knit stitch. It's just easy. It's relaxing. Oh, you don't have to worry about it counting or anything. As soon as you start knitting, you just, continue knitting. And if you, like I said, if you left the room and you're back and, oh, where was I? You just look at what you're doing, and then this is a slide, and you know this is a knit. So if it's a knit, the previous one and the next one is a knit stitch. And that's how you can figure out when you see these knit stitches, the previous and the next stitch is a knit stitch. Those 3 stitches. Okay, yeah, so definitely knit something with this. I'm planning to make a cardigan. Of course, top down, because I have so much of this yarn, and we'll see if it's enough. I can make it long. If not, so stay tuned for that tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.